Right, I keep saying it's more fun in the Philippines. Now, here you go. This is where I live, and these are my brilliant neighbours. Now, I believe this bike was on a sidecar, and my neighbour's got a brand new bike, and he's overhauled this because they're going to put that sidecar on it, and they're going to haul videokis on it, and when they've got no videokis hired, they're going to use it for pigs. And it's just amazing. They're so clever. The guy who's making this, I believe he's deaf and dumb, and he's had no training, and this is all from scratch, not from any drawings or whatever. He's just looked at the size of the bike, measured the bike, got some metal, cut it up, all on his own, no help, and just putting it together. Now the neighbours said he's only estimating, but he's saying it's probably going to cost about 12,000, including the labour. Well, that's quite cheap, because if you go to one of these shops, they want 30, 40,000, 45,000, depending on how, you know, intricate the detail is you want on the sidecar, etc. And this chap here is only 100cc. Now, to me, I think that's quite heavy, even without anything in it. But according to my neighbours, this will pull it no problem at all. I just think they're great. Filipinos are so clever, they really are. They can make something out of nothing, a bit like my wife. No, I'm only joking. The stuff we throw away in the West, these wouldn't throw away, they just repair them. So this is the stage it's at now, and when it's finished, I'm going to show you the finished item. And well, probably when this is finished, show you this with some wheels on it, or one wheel on it, and then I'll show you it when it's on the bike and the bike's all put back together. But it's just great. So these are two of my neighbours.
Hello.
Hello. They don't.
Ohio. Japanese words. Ohio. I'm from Japan. How are you there?
And this is my other neighbour. He's
The owner.
yeah, he's the owner. Yeah. Tell me, how many videokis do you have?
3 videokis. 3 videokis.
3 videokis. And all.
And capital for buying piggery.
Yeah. And how often are they rented out? Are they rented out a lot?
I've read.
No, I mean, how are they normally always rented? Or is it just every now and then?
Alternate.
Yeah, alternate. Yeah. So, I mean, the videoki business is quite...
Sometimes 3 videokis out.
Yeah. How do you advertise? How do people know you rent videokis?
1 year.
No, but how do people know where?
It's a friend. Advertise.
Oh, it's advertising on.
Advertise.
Ah, okay.
Advertise.
Very good. So there you go. Don't go into the sari business. Go into the videoki business. So that's it, and we'll show you the finished article at a later date, and that'll make another video for you. So I hope you find it interesting. So see you later. There you go then, let's have a look at the finished item. Look at my little doggy, look how big she's getting. So this is the finished item. It's a 125, as you can see, and they've totally rebuilt the engine. And look at this, look how good it looks. I'm really impressed with it. It was very difficult to get a price, because I think he thought that I wanted one building and he didn't want to give me the proper price, because my feeling was that he wanted to help me do it and perhaps make a bit of money, so he wouldn't give me the proper price. But when I was talking to his friends, they said it was going to cost about 16,000 because it was being built by one of the neighbours. But normally something like this, because I have looked into it, would be about 30,000, something like that. But with a roof on and that kind of stuff. I don't mean basic like this. But I mean, he's done a fantastic job, I think. Really fantastic job. What do you think, Mel? Good job?
Yes, good. But it's good if there's a roof. It's very hot. What if rain?
Well, it's only for karaoke's, and they can cover the karaoke's with a bit of tarpaulin, can't they?
That's your only.
Yeah. And pigs, when they carry the pigs in here, they're going to slaughter, so them getting a bit wet's not going to make much difference, is it? I just want to mention about the video we've just posted about helping us on Patreon. I seem to have caused an avalanche of people saying, how dare you ask people for money and begging and this, that and the other. Why should people give you money? These videos are free. And yeah, they're free, but they take time, effort and money to make the videos. You know, they don't just appear, and all them people obviously have been blocked, and nobody's seen the comments because I have to review comments before they go on my channel. So if somebody's naive enough to send an offensive comment, then they're just going to get blocked and deleted, so they're not going to get on the channel. Now my patron already got a video on there that tells you everything you need to know, prices, documents, everything for the retirement visa. So if you're thinking of retiring in the Philippines, then that's a good reason to be part of my Patreon, because there's going to be more videos like that posted on my Patreon. So if you would like to help us on Patreon, it would be appreciated, obviously. If you don't, then just enjoy the videos, keep watching the videos. If you do want to help, the link is below in the description in the video. So until the next video, bye from me and bye from my sweetness.
Bye. Where's Sally?